Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the lock screen clock style on iPhone 17 or any other iOS 26 version on your device. So by default, set the lock screen clock on your device. If you want to change the default clock style or a clock color on your iOS 26 version, follow this tutorial. In this video, I will show you two different methods to change the clock on your lock screen. So first method is the unlock your iPhone, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to wallpaper, tap on a wallpaper. Here you can see the customize option from the left side, tap on it. Now here you can see the clock style, tap on it. Now you can see list of different available font for the clock you want to set. You can also increase or decrease the clock like this on your device. Also change the clock color from the available at the bottom. You can also customize your favorite color like this. Also increase or decrease color brightness, set the glass or a solid color you want at the bottom. Also you can change the color, like here we set this, and you can see change the clock font you want, different type of language. So you can select your favorite clock font. By default here you can see set the default Arabic Western on your device, so set it. So you can easily change the clock style. But by default, when you just tap on it to increase the clock size like this, increase or decrease the clock size you want on your clock screen on your iOS 26 version. So quite easy. Just tap on the done option at the top right corner. Now lock your iPhone and you can see change the lock screen clock style on your iPhone 17 series or iOS 26. Second method, you can use the lock screen. Just swipe down from the top. First of all, unlock your device. Now swipe down from the top, tap and hold the blank space, and you can see the customize option, tap on it. Now here tap on the clock style, and again you can set the clock style, change the clock font, increase or decrease the clock. Also change the clock color you want, clock font color, like we set this color. Also set the spectrum like this, apply it. Sliders, you can increase or decrease its color you want on a device. Also choose from the bottom option. So tap glass or solid effect you want on your device. After that, increase its size. By default, you can only set in the first option to increase or decrease the size like this. Increase or decrease clock style on your device. Now tap on the done again. Now lock your phone and you can see set the lock screen clock style on iOS 26 version or any other iPhone 17, 70 Pro, 70 Pro Max or any other device. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.